Kursiun, a chair. A chair mean kursiun. A chair mean kursiun. Bed. Sarirun. Sarirun mean bed. Bed mean sarirun. Sarirun. Desk. Desk mean mak maktabun. 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 Key. Key mean miftahun. 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 Pen. Pen mean kalamun. 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 Kalamun mean pen. Book. Book mean kitabun. Book mean kitabun. 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 House. House mean baitun. 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 Mosque. Mosque mean masjidun. 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 Door. Door mean babun. Babun. Babun.